Welcome to Car Show 1, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts who live and breathe the world of high-performance machines, cutting-edge designs, and automotive excellence. On this channel, we dive deep into the heart of the world's most extraordinary cars, showcasing their craftsmanship, technology, and thrilling performance. If you love speed, innovation, and jaw-dropping automotive artistry, you're in the right place. Let's fuel your passion for cars and take you on an unforgettable ride. In today's episode, we're taking a closer look at the stunning 2025 Pagani Huayra, a masterpiece that pushes the boundaries of engineering and design. Pagani has once again redefined what it means to create a hypercar, blending breathtaking aesthetics with unparalleled performance. The 2025 Huayra retains the signature Pagani DNA, featuring a lightweight carbon titanium monocoque chassis that ensures both rigidity and agility. This hypercar is not just a car, it's a work of art. Every curve, every vent, and every detail is meticulously crafted to optimize aerodynamics while maintaining the beauty Pagani is known for. The active aerodynamics system is updated for 2025, offering unparalleled handling and stability, adapting in real time to maximize performance on the road or track. Under the hood, the 2025 Huayra is powered by a newly upgraded AMG-sourced 6.0-liter V12 engine, now delivering a mind-blowing 850 horsepower. The enhanced twin-turbo setup ensures an immediate and exhilarating throttle response, propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. The top speed, a staggering 238 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest hypercars on the planet. The interior of the 2025 Huayra is a fusion of luxury and futuristic technology. The hand-stitched leather seats, bespoke carbon fiber accents, and intricate aluminum details create an atmosphere of sophistication. Meanwhile, the updated infotainment system integrates seamlessly with driver-focused controls, ensuring a perfect blend of comfort and performance. Join us as we explore every inch of this incredible machine, from its awe-inspiring design to its jaw-dropping capabilities. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Show 1 for more exclusive content on the world's most exciting cars. Stay tuned, because the road ahead is full of surprises.